Hey everyone, so welcome to another video of mine. So basically, as we all know, the Met Gala has been blowing up like crazy on TikTok and pretty much everywhere. So in the middle of that, I was going to throw away this old dress that I just decided I no longer want. But then I was like, hang on a minute, I would combine the two and make my own like Met Gala dress. So that is kind of my YouTube signature by now. My like random, disorganized, impulsive content. I know I was going to do a dress try on, but this idea just came to me and I was like, okay, I'm going to be impulsive and I'm just going to put this thing together. Anyway, let's just get into the video and then I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, so this is what my outfit looks like as I put it together. So yeah, it's totally random, but it's yeah, it's got like a blue bit on the bottom of it. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of my video. This is what I would probably wear to the Met Gala if I was invited, ever invited. Which I probably don't think I ever will be, but you know, it was still fun to make anyway. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.